Good morning, students. Welcome to Montessori 3 English RC class. Students, open book page number 15. Look and say. Look and say. Let's say the sounds. A. The. Is. Has. A. The. Is. Has. Students, who is he? He is Pat. Pat has a bat. Pat has a bat. Who is she? She is Anne. Anne has a pet cat. Students, Anne has a pet cat. Who is he? He is Ben. Ben has a hen and an egg. Ben has a hen and an egg. Dear kids, he is Pat and Pat has a bat. She is Anne and Anne has a cat. And he is Ben. Ben has a hen and an egg. Dear kids, now open your English copy and write first 3 lines from your RC book, page number 15 on your English copy. Let's write. Pet. First letter is capital. Dear kids, don't forget first letter is always capital. A. T. What's this? It's pet. Now, one finger space. Dear kids, don't forget to make one finger space. Has. H-A-S. Has. Pet has a bat. B-A-T. Bat. Pet has a bat. Dear kids, don't forget one finger space. Make one finger space like that. Now come to second line. N. First letter capital. A-double-N. N. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने राइटिंग करते वक्त ख्याल से करनी है, बिल्कुल फॉर्मेशन के साथ लाइन से आपकी राइटिंग बिल्कुल भी ऊपर नीचे नहीं होनी चाहिए. एन हैज़. H-A-S. Has. And has a pet cat. Cat is a pet animal. ये kids, pet animal कौन से होते हैं जिन्हें हम अपने घर में रख सकते हैं? These are the pet animals and cat is a pet animal and has a pet cat. Now Ben has a hen and an egg. It's our last line. Ben has. Students, don't forget to make one finger space and write with formation. Ben has a hen. Ben has hen and an egg. Dear kids, this is your homework. You have to read first 3 lines from page number 15 and also write them on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.